believe in showcase events, which is an event where we bring people together, harness energy, get people excited, and I'm a huge believer in strategic partnership. So we brought former Tennessee Titan Brad Hopkins in today, All-Pro, Tennessee Titan, financial advisor, and we just did a little Q&A here at the Greatness Factory.
I didn't ask to get drafted. Sure, it was a blessing and a curse, but nonetheless, I didn't have a choice on that, right? Didn't have a choice in what city drafted me. Didn't have that choice. Didn't have a choice in how long I played either. Nobody ever does. So the only choice I really made was to immerse myself in a business that I thought I could be successful.
I believe in getting people together and getting them excited and having something for them to do in the future. So I thought it was a great hour at the Greatness Factory. We really should be doing more of this.